Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 computer or Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10 as well. This is so you'll need to provide administrator permission to copy this file or folder, and this is access denied. You'll need permission to perform this action. You require permission from system or administrators to make changes. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the file or folder we're having the problem with here. So if you have to open up File Explorer, you can just open up the shortcut down the taskbar, or you can search for it in the search menu. And go over to this PC, or again, wherever your folder is. So I'm just going to give an example here. So I'm going to go underneath Users. I'm just going to pick this random folder, and I'm going to right click on it. Again, this is assuming this is your problem folder here, and you want to select Properties, select the Security tab, and then you want to select the Advanced button. Versus Owner, click the Change button, and then enter in your computer username here. So it doesn't really matter, but you want to enter in your username here. And if you're unsure, you can always select the Advanced button and then Find Now. And this will actually give you a list of the different user accounts you could select on your computer here. So go ahead and actually locate your computer name. So my username is very original. I just picked computer user for my computer name. So I'm going to select OK and then OK again. Checkmark versus replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then select apply, select OK, and then OK again. OK. And there you go. You should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.